Hey folks, today I'm going to be actually swapping my blades around on my DeWalt DW735 planer. I've had this about 6 months and I've been putting it through some pretty good use, and it's finally starting to show a little slowdown, so I'm going to show you how to swap these blades around, or I'm going to learn myself because this will be the first time on there. First things first, make sure you're unplugged. Lockout, tag out, it works in the home shop too, so keep that unplugged and be ready to go. First off, take your included Torx tool from DeWalt. Usually sits right there. I've already loosened the screws up and just got one left that's got a little tension on it. And there you go. Remove the 4 bolts. They're captured so they don't come out. Set that to the side. Leave your tool. You got 3 little red extended bolts in here that hold down your shroud. It pulls your dust out. Pulls it up into the fan motor and exhausts it out the back. And then you don't want to lose that one. Pull that loose. Set them down, you don't want to lose them. Like I do. Pull your dust shroud kind of up, and then pull your dust shroud out and over. It's got a little tab there. Pops right out. Set it to the side. And that'll expose your blades and your blade holder. And then just a matter of going through, breaking each one loose. They're short little bolts, so it don't take much to get them out of there. I was tempted to get in there with my little impact gun and pull them out, but I figured for the sake of content, we'll just let this go right here. Probably shouldn't be down in here with power tools anyway. Although it might be a little easier, it's kind of crowded down in there. There's room, but you got to kind of get in there. There we go. We got our 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. Here's your blade cover. Remember your orientation. And then there's your blade. And be careful because they're probably still a little sharp. This one's, yeah, you can feel a little bit. Swap it around. It's got a little index in there. You want to get her line back up. Replace your top. Remember where your orientation was. Make sure it all lines up in there. I'm going to go on 2 ends right quick and try to hold it in place. Now you can also do the same thing with a brand new set of blades, which I got, but like I say, this one's fairly new, so we're just going to slide it in there. Put those back in there and hold them down a little bit so we don't get no movement. And that's it. Put your bolts back in. Move to the next blade. You got 3 sets, so 3 different times. Get them all seated, come back in, get them a good little last torque. They weren't on there super tight, so I wouldn't overdo it. Just get them tight where they're not going to back out. And there you go. Switch to your next one. When you're done, reverse order. Place your dust guard back in there. It lines up. There it goes. It's got a little open and close marking on there. Put your hold down bolt back in. And get it started. Replace your other two. There and there. Put your top back on. Bolt her down, and you're ready to go. That's it. All right, y'all. Have a great one.